The previous video was a little bit inaudible, and I am going to try and redo it in a nutshell at a higher volume. I think that the basic question is that of Advaita, and one slight commentary on that suggests a way to understand one confusion that arises, which is if the consciousness of Advaita is so cosmic, how does it appear in the form of an individual ego? It's not really a big paradox, and yet it is a key weakness of the whole formulation, but it is a problem that is easy to solve if we adopt a simple speculation that there are really different forms or levels of consciousness. This has always been said, but it keeps getting scrambled in various forms of confusion. But the point is that the non-dual thesis of Atman and Brahman finally comes out and expresses the whole thing as consciousness. The problem there is that, although that may just might be right, the laws of physics don't quite suggest that, at least not yet. There are dozens of New Age speculations and books, YouTube videos that try to resolve that apparent contradiction by showing how quantum mechanics, for instance, is really about consciousness. Case not proven so far, but that's a very suggestive insight. We have to leave it at that for a moment, but the point here is that basically the Advaitins are saying that it is false to call consciousness an epiphenomenon of the body. That makes sense, and yet it doesn't make sense. Man comes into being, and then he expresses a kind of consciousness. And in a way, while there is no contradiction, there is one, because man does emerge as a body, and his consciousness does seem to be an epiphenomenon. After all, it requires a kind of rational meditation to uncover the reality of the ordinary consciousness as epiphenomenon. The solution is staring us in the face that waking consciousness is a kind of epiphenomenon of the body, but that this is like a lifeboat for a little gremlin called consciousness with a capital C. And we can detect that gremlin by the very simple exercise pointed to over and over again of seeing consciousness as the blue sky behind the traffic of thoughts. It's like the gap between two thoughts, just as the blue sky shines through the gap between two clouds. So in some way that we're not completely clear on, consciousness in a larger capital C sense seems to emerge into the contracted body form and develops there with something not unlike being an epiphenomenon. Let's see if that's loud enough.